Good afternoon. I was getting ready to say good morning, but good afternoon, y'all. Good afternoon. I'm sure everybody know Bath and Body Works is doing the aromatherapy sale, $6.50. Also they got the $15.95 candles. Yes. I'm getting ready to go and I'm doing some exchanges. But first, I got coupons, y'all. They sent me some coupons, so I'm taking pictures so I could use them again. So yeah, I do have some coupons. I don't think I'm gonna use my coupons, but I'm bringing them just in case, because you never ever know. Welcome everybody, welcome. What's up to my MVP riders? If you're watching everything, shout out to you. Because of you, your girl keep posting. I truly do appreciate it. Today is a beautiful day. The weather is like 65 degrees. As you see, the sun is shining. I absolutely love these days. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to do some, ooh, this bag heavy. I'm getting ready to do some exchanges. I have this in here. I got a hat. I'm gonna put this hat on because it's windy. It's a beautiful day, but today is windy. And y'all doing, I got my water. Y'all know your girl got a unit on. But yeah. So let me show y'all the candles that I'm gonna exchange. This is bergamot water. I think I have two. Yes, two bergamot water. I have two tiki beach. And one bubbly rosé, and then the other one is, oh, it's gonna fall. The other one is pineapple and mango. So I am going to exchange all these candles out and grab some of the new stuff. Grab 6 new candles. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab some of the new candles because the new candles came out, I believe it was yesterday. They also have that butterfly candle, so I'm gonna grab one of those, even though I do have the single wick. I just haven't did the video yet. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Also, like the new aromatherapy, I'm super excited to try that rose cacao. I really want to try that. Fingers crossed that it's giving me that whipped rose latte that they had over the semi-annual sale. That is so good. It is so good, and I just feel like I didn't grab enough of it. So I'm hoping, and I forgot to grab one of those. But I guess I'm gonna compare them when I get back home so y'all can see, because I absolutely forgot to grab it. Because I was going to do a comparison in the car, like right after I got it. I was going to do the comparison, but I forgot it. Even though I am still in the driveway, but I done been back in the house twice, so I'm not doing that. And it's time for me. I got to be headed on up here because I need to get this done. So yes, let's head on up to the store so I could get this done. I should have been out the house a long time ago. Also, y'all, also on the website, they are offering a free candles for members, and I'm sure tomorrow they will open that up to everybody. I know the aroma sale is just for today, and maybe they're gonna bring the soap sale back tomorrow. I don't know. Y'all know how Bath and Body Works switch things up. And then we was on the sip and chat, and somebody said that 30% coupon, as y'all do know, it was glitching, and now they deactivated that coupon. So if you have that 30% coupon, like myself, and didn't use it, you out of luck. Unless customer service, you call and they look at your thing and see that you didn't use it. That's probably the only way, but slim chance that they're gonna give it to you. So that kind of suck, because that coupon didn't expire until April 12th. But since they put a glitch on it, it just kind of messed everything up. So I just wanted to give y'all that little information. I'm sure everybody heard that already. But let's head on over to the store. Let's go to the store. Go to the store. All right, y'all, let's go. also got this Cacao and Rose. I got the oil mist as well as the body wash, the foaming body wash, and the moisturizing lotion. I was so excited to grab this because I was hoping it smells like this whipped rose latte, because I didn't buy a lot of this. Oh, I hate that I didn't. But to me, they're kind of similar, but this one is more rose heavy. I did put a little bit on my hand, on both hands, so I could actually see. This one is the Cacao Rose, and on the other hand is the whipped rose. To me, the whipped rose is more like a cocoa butter with rose in it, whereas this one, you do get that cocoa note, but it's more rose heavy, top heavy with the rose. That's the first scent I smell with the cocoa butter or the cacao, like on the back of it. But I do like both of them, and I most definitely grabbed a backup of this. Hopefully this will be part of the regular line, because I do like it. It is so nice, and y'all know I love aromatherapy anyway. So yeah, I was super excited to grab this, and this was the only thing that I grabbed from the aromatherapy line. Okay, I grabbed 2 of the butterfly candles. The scent notes is nectar, raspberry nectar, iris petals, and vanilla. That's the scent notes. Grab 2 of them. This is nice. I like the candle more than I like the body care. So yeah, grab 2 of those. Then I grabbed the Pink Shores. I bought one from the last sale and I liked it a lot, so I decided to buy another one. It's most definitely a sweet scent. If you have not gotten your hands on this yet, I highly recommend it. It's super nice. Also grabbed this sweet carrot cake candle. Packaging is just okay for me. Love the lid. The lid is actually really nice. I love that. The fact that it has Happy Easter on it, that's actually cute. I already have this candle, so it wasn't a big deal to get this one, but a lot of people says this one throws a lot better than the one from last year, so that's the only reason why I got it. Okay, the last 2 I got is Fresh Lemon Waves and Paradise Cove. Those were the last 2 that I got, and I actually started to pass on these. I originally passed on these with the last sale, but I decided to just go ahead and swap out. I did do an exchange for all of these candles, but I did decide to get these 2. There's the scent notes, orange, vanilla, and Surfside Breeze. So yeah, it's nice. Most definitely smells citrus. Lemon. I don't really smell. I don't know why they named this Lemon Waves. I don't get that, because it most definitely smells like orange, like an orange, like citrus, not lemon citrus. To me, it smells like orange citrus. It looks kind of weird on the inside there, but I don't know. This was just okay for me, so I just grabbed it because it was new. Now, Paradise Cove. Let's see. Sandalwood, eucalyptus, orange. This package is just okay on both of these candles for me. Nothing special. It's just alright. Paradise Cove is nice. I know, I like it. Will I back these 2 up? I don't know. I most definitely will have to burn them to see. And basically that's everything I bought from this sale. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, let me know, did you buy anything from this sale? Did you do any exchanges? And I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.